Welcome to Module 5, Beginner Mistakes to Avoid on Zepeto. Hello everybody, it's me, Granny Gems. In this lesson, we're going to walk through the most common mistakes that new creators make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Learning these early will save you time, help your account grow faster, and keep your creator journey on the right track. This module covers profile mistakes, avatar design issues, live streaming problems, engagement challenges, platform rules violations, algorithm mistakes, shop and world building errors, security and communication mistakes, and the behavior that hurts long-term growth. Let's begin with the first category, avatar and profile mistakes. Your avatar and your profile are the first things people see, so they significantly affect your growth. Mistake number 1, consistently changing your avatar. New creators often change their face, style, body, or outfits every day. This confuses viewers and makes your brand hard to recognize. Here's a solution. Build a consistent look and update it gradually, not every day. Mistake number 2, overly complex or distracting designs. Extreme proportions, overly bright colors, or unusual face settings can look messy or unprofessional. Here's a solution. Balance your avatar design and keep it clean and readable. Mistake number 3, empty or incomplete profiles. A profile with no bio, no post, or no personal identity reduces trust. Here's a solution. Fill out your bio and add a few posts and create a visual identity. Mistake number 4, ignoring accessibility. Some avatars have their hair covering their eyes or animations that distract viewers. Here's a solution for that. Choose motions and styles that are visual, clear for streaming. Live is one of the biggest growth tools on Zepeto, and small mistakes can drastically reduce your visibility. Mistake number 5, inconsistent streaming schedule. Streaming randomly makes it hard for users to find you. Here's a solution for that. Choose a consistent time, even if it's only 2 to 3 days a week. Mistake number 6, not talking on live. Silent streams cause viewers to leave quickly. Here's a solution for that. Talk actively, greet people by name, ask questions, and keep a friendly flow. Mistake number 7, poor environment or world selection. Dark, messy, or glitchy worlds damage viewer experience. Here's a solution. Pick bright worlds with good color balance and clear lighting. Mistake number 8, ignoring viewers. People leave when they feel invisible. Here's a solution. Respond quickly to chat, welcome new viewers, and interact often. Mistake number 9, long pauses or AFK moments. Going silent or leaving for too long lowers retention. Here's a solution. Prepare everything before going live and keep momentum steady. Mistake number 10, using copyrighted content. Playing movies, music, or copyrighted audio can get your stream restricted or muted. Here's a solution. Use royalty-free music or Zepeto-safe audio options. Zepeto is a social platform and engagement matters for growth. Mistake number 11, not posting on the feed. Only going live limits your visibility. Here's a solution. Post photos, short videos, and update 3 to 5 times a week. Mistake number 12, posting low-quality screenshots. Blurry or dark images reduces your chance for engagement. Here's a solution. Use proper poses, bright worlds, and clean angles. Mistake number 13, posting without captions or hashtags. Captions improve connections, and hashtags increase reach. Here's a solution. Use strong captions and 3 to 6 relevant hashtags. Mistake number 14, not engaging back. Ignoring comments make viewers feel unappreciated. Here's a solution for that. Reply to comments regularly and be active in the community. Many new creators accidentally break rules without knowing it. Mistake number 15, sharing personal information. Never reveal your location, phone number, or private accounts. Solution: keep all personal data off your Zepeto content. Mistake number 16, inappropriate content. Explicit themes, fights, drama, and harassment violate guidelines. Here's a solution for that. Keep your content friendly, respectful, and safe for everyone. Mistake number 17, fake giveaways or free Zem scams. New creators sometimes unintentionally promote scams. Here's a solution. Only share legit information and never promote off-platform giveaways. Mistake number 18, bringing viewers into unsafe worlds. Some worlds contain inappropriate content. Here's a solution for that. Curate safe places for your community and avoid risky environments. These mistakes affect algorithm performance and long-term growth. Mistake number 19, focusing only on gifts. Viewers don't want to feel pressured. Here's a solution. Create fun, value-driven content. Gifts will come naturally. Mistake number 20, not branding yourself. A creator without a theme feels forgettable. Here's a solution. Pick a niche, color scheme, and consistent style. Mistake number 21, ignoring analytics. You're missing valuable information if you don't check stats. Here's a solution. Review viewer retention and engagement patterns weekly. Mistake number 22, low world or clothing quality. If you create items, low quality designs hurt your reputation. Here's a solution. Only publish clean, polished, fully tested assets. Mistake number 23, trying to do everything at once. Learning too many tools at the same time leads to burnout. Here's a solution for that. Master one skill at a time. Learn the app, learn live, learn worlds, learn studio, learn monetization. Mistake number 24, trusting strangers too quickly. Some users pretend to help but cause problems. Here's a solution. Keep boundaries. Only trust verified sources and safe collaborators. Mistake number 25, overreacting to trolls and negative comments. Arguing harms your brand and kills your mood. Here's a solution to that. Mute, block, report, and move on. Mistake number 26, not backing up your work. Losing worlds or clothing files is very common. Here's a solution. Back everything up in cloud storage or external drives. Last but not least, mistake number 27, falling for secret features or fake info. Some users spread misinformation about how Zepeto works. Here's a solution for that. Get information only from the official Zepeto channels or studio documentation. You've now learned the most important beginner mistakes on Zepeto, and most importantly, how to avoid them. By following these tips, you'll build a stable, safe, and successful creator presence. In this module, we covered avatar mistakes, live streaming mistakes, engagement mistakes, platform rule mistakes, growth mistakes, safety and communication mistakes. Avoiding these early will help you grow faster, stay safe, and maintain a positive reputation on the platform. In the next module, we'll dive into world building and studio skills so you can start creating your own environments inside Zepeto.